Well, where we stand right now as far as vaccination rates, the state says that 63% of the population in Nevada 12 and older have at least had one dose of the vaccine. Here in southern Nevada and Clark County, we're at 70%. And Governor Sisolak today praised the efforts from FEMA to say largely the reason those rates have risen over the last few months is because of them and when the FEMA strike teams were called in July. Now, one of the main things that the FEMA strike teams did were try to target those areas with low vaccination rates, and they focused on specific zip codes that were falling behind in those vaccination rates. The FEMA surge team canvassed 22 entire zip codes to raise awareness of the COVID vaccine. For example, one North Las Vegas zip code saw a 20% increase in its vaccination rate. Now the FEMA surge teams are leaving, but Sisolak says the vaccination efforts aren't going away, and community groups will be used to help with that.
Our communities of color, there's a little more resistance or apprehension to getting the vaccine. That was one of the things that the FEMA surge teams did so well for us, is reaching into those communities and hoping to educate folks a little bit more. We're working with our faith-based communities to get that word out, and we'll continue to do so as we move forward.
And one of the big questions that everyone has is how much longer will that mask mandate be around? Sisolak said today that as of right now, there will be no changes. There still needs to be a lowering of positivity rate and cases overall. He did say, though, when asked, that there are no plans for any more vaccination mandates like we've seen in some other states like California. Reporting live, I'm Drew Andre, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.